Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this video we are going to be learn how to find trending filters for your Instagram reels. So make sure that do watch the video till the end in order to learn it perfectly. So first of all, what you have to do, just open your Instagram app right here, and now what you gonna do to create a reel, what you have to do, just swipe right until you see your camera, and that's from story switch to reel. Now let's now in order to get the filters for the reels, what you have to do, as you can see in the left portion of your camera, there are some buttons appearing here. So click on the second option right here. So as you can see, the filters are arrived. Now go to trending to access trending filters for your Instagram reels. Now as you can see, there are too much filters, like trending filters for Instagram reels, and they are mentioned by their name. So you can choose any of them and create your reel. Now let's create a reel with the random filter. Okay, so I'm selecting this one and let's do create a reel. That's the end for today's video. Leave a like and do also subscribe to the channel. I'll be meeting you in the next video. See you soon. Bye.